Hey y'all. All right, so we are going to finish up our projects with a little bit of vinyl decals. So I don't have a whole towel at the studio. I just have some pieces that I cut up from like old towels to use as rags, but I just want to demonstrate to you if you have if you wanted to like lay this down so you could work on it, you can get you a towel and you roll up one side, roll up the other side, and then you turn it over like this, and then you can lay your cup in it and it won't roll around. Ha! All right, so we're about to apply our decals. So I'm gonna actually clean my cup off. Just gonna rub it down with some alcohol. If you're out of alcohol pads, you could just, spray it with some alcohol and then wipe it dry. I'm gonna grab your transfer tape. These are brand new pieces of transfer tape, so they're really super sticky. So I would recommend for you to de-sticky it. And what that means is you would take this clear piece and put it on your shirt or your pants one time, peel it off. You can do it a second time if you want. Because it's so sticky, when you try to remove the transfer tape, you want your decal to stay, but because it's so sticky, sometimes the decal will come back with it. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this. So this is our decal. We're gonna just add it to the cup. So I'm gonna lay my transfer tape. I'm gonna hold it and just lay it right over top. I'm gonna let it hit in the center first and then let it fall out to the sides. I'm gonna turn it over and I wanna burnish it. So I'm gonna rub it with my hands, or if you have an old credit card or a burnishing card, you can rub it with that. After you are good and satisfied with how you've rubbed it, you're gonna turn it back over, and what you're gonna do is you're going to you wanna peel the back off of the transfer tape. I would just do this slowly so that I can make sure that everything's sticking. If something looks like it's not sticking, rub it again real quick and then proceed. Voila. Okay? And now what you do is you're just gonna lay this on your cup wherever you wanna put it. So you might wanna put your name at the top and then put your logo down here. I'm gonna put mine up a little higher. In the same way you let it fall before, just let it fall onto the cup. And then start in the middle, rub it down, and go out to the sides. Again, if you have a burnishing card or some other tool that you can burnish it with, you can use that. I think my hands are sufficient. Okay. Make sure you smooth it out really good. And then you'll just find one of those corners of the transfer tape. And you're gonna slowly peel it off. Very slowly. Again, you're checking to make sure that everything sticks down. If something does not stick down, then you need to, rub it a little bit more. Oh, that looks good. All right, now I'm gonna add my name down here. Same process. I'm gonna rub it, and then I'm gonna peel off the back of the tape, leaving my name on the transfer tape. I'm gonna line that up where I want it. Go ahead and press that down, rub it, and then slowly peel it up. I would let this rest on here for at least 24 hours before I washed it, okay? That way the adhesive on the back has time to really grip onto this cup. In addition to that, when you wash it, I would just hand wash this cup. Do not put it into a dishwasher, and I would avoid soaking it. I wouldn't, like, you know, sit it in a pot of hot water, a bowl of hot water, and let it soak for extended periods of time. But y'all, I don't know how you're feeling, but I'm feeling the fall vibes. I am feeling the fall vibes. Yes. You know what, to set this cup off? Some gold accents. All right, so we have some smaller decals that are black. You can choose which ones you want to put, but it's again the same exact process. So you can leave this the size that you want, or you can cut it down. I think I'm gonna cut it down just to make my life a little bit easier. So it's still good though, so I'm gonna put it back on the backing. I could potentially use it for another project. But I'm just gonna cut this small piece off of it. Okay, so take my last name. Voila. You want to find a flat side of this pencil, which is really hard to see, but I promise you that it exists. I didn't get it right, y'all. But that's okay. It's mine, right? It's mine. I'm gonna love it anyway. Just a little crooked. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better. I like the bottom saying. I feel like I need a concoction for these. I'm gonna try to get closer. Try to keep it straight this time. Oh, my P came off. The K is trying to come off. You know what I did not do? I did not rub these down with alcohol. So make sure that you clean them, because if they do have any like adhesive or oils on them, that makes it a little bit harder. Okay. All right, same with these. Says you sparkle. Same with these. Give them 24 hours for that adhesive to bond with the plastic. Thank you all for participating and being subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Next month, we're actually gonna come full circle. The very, very first Crafty Club box was soy candles. and we're gonna come back full circle. We're gonna come back full circle, and we're going to play around with wax again, but with a slightly different twist. So I will see you all in November. Happy fall, happy Halloween if you celebrate, and just have a great one, okay? So stay crafty. Bye.